Import your footages. After importing, take it to the composition. Right-click on the footage. Click Track and Stabilize and then Track Motion. This will take time as it depends on your PC specs. Now it is done, the red circle indicates where we have topless so that we can add a image or text, so we will select then right-click then create a object. After creating the object we will do right-click on it then select Precompose. Then we will do 2 times click on the object. Now hide the solid and put the image you want to put. Now resize it as shown. Now come to the main composition. Now resize it and play with rotation of the image. And now we have created it. Now we will do text.